Figure 10 is a triangle with the three sides given 4, 3, 5 with an inscribed semicircle. Find the radius r of the semicircle in figure X above. For us to find the radius of the semicircle, we are going to find the area of this triangle by making use of Hero's formula. Next, we are going to split this triangle into two triangles with their vertical heights being the radius of the semicircle. Then we are going to calculate the area of the two triangles which we obtained from splitting this triangle, and we equate the area to the area of this triangle. Then we find the radius. Take solution. Hero's formula states that for a triangle with the three sides given as A, B, and C, the area of the triangle is simply the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, where S is the semi-perimeter which is given by A plus B plus C. We divide by 2. Take the sum of the three sides of the triangle, you divide by 2, it gives the semi-perimeter. By applying Hero's formula, the area of this triangle will be given by, we are going to start by finding the semi-perimeter. Our S will be equal to, we are going to take 3 plus 4 plus 5, then we divide by 2. This will be equal to 3 plus 4 gives us 7 plus 5 gives 12. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. This is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. The area of the triangle will simply be equal to the square root of S is 6 times 6 minus A, which is 3, times 6 minus 4 times 6 minus 5. This will simply be equal to the square root of 6 times 6 minus 3 gives us 3, times 6 minus 4 gives us 2, times 6 minus 5 gives us 1. This will simply be equal to the square root of 6 times 3 gives us 18, times 2 it gives us 36, times 1 it remains 36. The square root of 36 is simply equal to 6. It simply means the area of this triangle is 6 units squared. Next thing, what we are going to do is we are going to split the triangle into two triangles. We are going to make use of the center. This will be the first triangle. This is triangle 1 and this is triangle 2. The vertical height of triangle 1 is the radius which is perpendicular to this line, because this line is a tangent to this semicircle at this point. This is the vertical height, which is the radius. These two lines are perpendicular. Here, this is the vertical height, which is the radius. These two lines are perpendicular. The area of this big triangle is simply equal to the sum of the areas of triangle 1 and triangle 2. Take this down. Also, comma, A is equal to area of triangle 1, which is denoted as A1, plus the area of triangle 2, which is denoted as A2. This will simply be equal to the area of triangle 1. This is triangle 1. The area is simply half base times height. The base is 4, the height is r. So this will give us a half times 4 times r plus the area of triangle 2, which is a half. This is the base, which is 3, times the vertical height, which is r. A half of 3 times r. This will simply be equal to 4 times r gives us 4r on 2 plus 3 times r, it gives us 3r times a half, it gives 3r on 2. This will simply be equal to, they have the same denominators, we add the numerators, 4r plus 3r on 2. This will be equal to 4r plus 3r gives us 7r on 2. Remember, we calculated the area of this triangle above by making use of Hero's formula, and we had the area as 6 units squared. The area of the triangle, is equal to 7r all over 2. From above, we calculated the area of the triangle A, and it gave us 6 units squared. We are going to replace A with 6, then 6, which can be expressed as 6 over 1, is equal to 7r over 2. Then we are going to multiply all through by 2. The reason why we are multiplying all through by 2 is simply because we want to eliminate 2 from the denominator at the right hand side. This will imply 2 times 6 over 1 is 6. 2 times 6 is equal to 2 over 1 times 7r over 2. This will imply that 2 times 6 gives us 12 is equal to 2, we'll strike off 2, we'll be left with 7r. For us to get the value of r, we are going to divide all through by 7. This will imply 7r divided by 7 is equal to 12 divided by 7. And this will imply r plus 7 will strike off 7 will be equal to 12 over 7, which is 12 over 7 as a mixed fraction gives us 1 and 5 all over 7 units. Therefore, the radius of the semicircle is 1 and 5 all over 7 units. Let's underline the answer. We are done with the solution of the question. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.